There is no way this thing already has rust in it. Oh my god. Why is this happening? Ew, it is so cold outside. This is the first time I see sun in 2 weeks. Just kidding, this is actually really easy. Yeah, I know, I'm fancy today. I have a suit right now. How do you like it? Should I do this more often? We've got here the KuKirin G2. Yeah, you guessed right. Oh, that was not obvious at all. Okay. I'm actually really excited for this scooter because it can do wheelies so easy. I saw other people do it and I was actually shocked. Thank you very much, KuKirin, for sending this. Let's unbox it, shall we? Yeah, I'm so excited. Dude, that's so sick. This never gets old for some reason. Yo! It already smells so good. I don't know if that's a KuKirin perfume or something. Whenever I open a new KuKirin, it smells so good. What's inside this thing? The manual. Nice. We've got some keys and screws. Oh no, I broke it. We've got the rear fender. Not sure if I'm going to use it. It's a nice touch though. I guess this thing has to go up. We've got here the handlebars. Let me cut this real quick. Careful to not cut any wire. My intuition says that this thing should go into this hole, but first you have to remove this cap right here. Okay, and that's it. This scooter is also really easy to carry around. It only has around 20 kilos, so that's great. I think you have to lock it with the screws, but first let's take it out of the box. I don't think that's the proper way to get it out though. Oh. Oops. Never mind, it is out of the box. Let's clean real quick. Okay, we've got everything out of the box and I'm really excited to turn this thing on. But first, let's see what charger we've got here. We've got a 2A charger. That's really cool. This scooter having a smaller battery, it will charge the battery faster. It has a 48 volts, 15 amps battery. One more thing here in the front and on the screen, but I will leave the thing on because it will act like a screen protector. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's turn this thing on. Okay. Boom! It is on. We are already in race mode. Let's see what's the top speed. Ooh, 56 kilometers an hour. Not bad, not bad. The brakes feel really good. I like that. We also have turn signals. It has this really cool stop thing in the back. It is not fully charged though. I actually want to learn how to wheelie on this scooter, so wish me luck. Let's take it for a spin real quick. I have no idea if mine is broken or something like that, but it does such a weird sound. I mean, it just sounds like a phone vibration. It does brrr, brrr. What the heck, man? Why is this happening? What? It is just broken. What the f? Some of the times it works and some of the times it doesn't. But it feels really good. I mean, it is comfortable. The brakes are nice. I was not expecting the brakes to be that good. Why is it doing that? I really hope you can hear that. I can hear it really well through my helmet, so you might be able to hear it too. The suspension is working like a charm. We'll have to ask KuKirin now, what do I have to do? Do I have to change the motor? It also has really good handling. So yeah, first impressions, we have to see what's wrong with it. I look so good in this suit. I should wear it more often. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I don't know how to wheelie, but... Okay, that was the longest one. I'm really glad that it's doable. I have to cut the brake sensor though. I have to throw this box away. Just look at me carrying it between my legs. Yo, 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 that's so funny. Yeah, that won't fit there. I'm just going to leave it there. Any last words? No, don't do it. Please don't. Yep, let's fix it. A lot of you guys complain about the KuKirin support and I don't really know why, because they sent me a replacement motor immediately after I told them, yo, the motor is broken. Let's unbox it real quick. Wow, that's a lot of protection actually. This is a brand new motor right here. And they even gave me the tire too. So I don't have to swap tires or anything like that. I just have to swap the motor. So let's open this bad boy up. I actually have one more 48-volt battery and another controller. Would you guys want me to do a dual motor version of this G2? Let me know in the comments. Now we should be able to remove the cover. Wow, guys, this thing smells so good. I saw this controller a lot of times. The battery is so cute and small. I like that. Let's unscrew the controller. We can now disconnect those 3 phase wires. And the whole wire. Great! Now the motor is completely disconnected. We just have to take it out. And this is the old motor right here. I have no idea what's wrong with it though. Let's install the new one. Oh no, I forgot the disc brake. Now we can put it back. Now we just have to take our new wire and place it through those holes, blue, green and yellow. That is the order of your wires. Try to install them correctly because otherwise your wheel might spin backwards. Now the phase wires are installed. Let's connect the whole wire. Yeah, let's give it a try. And it works! This thing spins like crazy. That's awesome. Yo, it works. Yes. I'm so happy this new motor is working. I will put everything back real quick. It is the same exact process but backwards. Just be very careful when you put everything back too. Also not forget about this seal thing for the wires. If you saw my G4 video where water got in and rust happened inside of it, you know that water can get in. Well, now that we have the new motor in place, let's do a proper top speed test. Okay, let's go. 30 kilometers an hour, 31, 32. Take into consideration that I'm a really heavy guy. I weigh about 100 kilograms and yeah, 41. Come on. 42. The battery is fully charged. I just charged it. Come on. 42, 43. I also have the wheels at 5 psi. No way. It's doing it again! What? There is no way! The motor is shaking again! I just changed it! What? I was not expecting this, man! The G2 is so cooked! What's wrong with that guy? Guys, the motor is so cooked. I guess this is the controller fault. It's still vibrating like crazy. I feel like I'm riding a phone right now. And I was so excited for this. I guess I'm going to ride KuKirin again and they are going to send me the controller. But if it's not the controller, then I don't know. I'm cooked for real. Yo, check this guy. He also has the G2. That's awesome. Does he have that problem? My ears are gone. I must admit though, this scooter is so comfortable. If you don't have any issues with it, you can ride it with no problems in any kind of situation. I mean, let's go off-road. The suspension is doing a great work. So if you want to use this thing for some light off-road, you can definitely do that. If you will have any kind of issues like I do, you can contact KuKirin and they will be there for you. Or you can contact me and I will contact them for you. Just write me on Instagram. That's totally doable. This thing is so lightweight. I mean, there is no way you won't enjoy this thing. If you're a teenager, this thing is perfect for you, man. I have to lose some weight. Maybe that way I will not have this issue anymore. Sometimes I have bad luck. I mean, all the KuKirin scooters that came to me so far had no problems whatsoever. But it happens sometimes you are unlucky in life, you know? Honestly, I don't feel confident on the street with this thing. It just doesn't have enough power for my taste. I'm used to accelerate really fast. If you saw my other videos with the G4 Max or G2 Monster and all that, you know what I'm saying. Wow. Ooh! Okay, I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. I did a live stream when I tried to learn with you guys how to do it. I still don't know. That's so unfortunate. If your middle name is Speed, well, you should go for something more powerful like the G2 Monster or the G3 Pro or anything that has dual motors. Or maybe if you want a single motor, the G2 Max is also a really good choice. I tried it a few days ago and I was surprised by that motor. It has the same exact motor as the G3 Pro, so you won't be disappointed. I also have a new discount code. It's called Joy on Wheels G2, G3, small letters all together. You can use that on any models except the G4 that has the code Joy on Wheels G4 and the G4 Max that has the code Joy on Wheels. Oh, have you seen that? Wow. I really like this scooter a lot. It is so lightweight and it has the power. It is just that I'm unlucky and I received a broken controller. But remember, KuKirin and we are here for you if you need any help. The suspension is absolutely amazing. I love it. If you're a heavy guy and you need power, maybe go for something bigger. Guys, just watch this real quick. Whoa! 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 Just look at this suspension, man. Crazy smooth. For the money, you are getting a really good value scooter. The only real competition for this model will be the G2 Max, G2 Pro, and if you are willing to pay even more, the G2 Master. If you are not a really heavy person as I am, this model will fit you perfectly. But if you are into speed and you're looking forward to accelerate on the street like a demon, this won't satisfy you. I would say this scooter fits somebody who's just a chill guy. Somebody that wants to do a bit of both speed and off-road. This is how the G2 looks like next to its big brother. Yeah, it is a lot smaller, but the screen and handlebars are very similar. I should try to wheelie the G4 too. Most of you guys told me it is a way better choice. Let me know in the comments which one would you pick, taking in consideration the price to value ratio. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. And stay tuned.